Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCI's Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video I bring you Swaprum. This is a free airdrop for everyone that has been received the airdrop of the Arbitrum distribution. So if you already have your Arbitrum tokens, you get your wallet where you get it, you can get these free SAPR tokens. We are going to cover a little bit about what Swaprum Finance is. This is a Degen free token to claim, and I know you like those kind of videos because I have been doing Arbdoge as soon as they launch it almost. We claimed this token, and like you can see at this moment, it's pumping like crazy, 133%. Actually, when we claim it, it already did a 500%. So if you claim Airdrop and you actually bought some of that, you may be in great profits. And the same happened with Rekt. When we claimed this for free on the Arbitrum network, now it's pumping also a little bit, but we are of course in profits since we claimed that. So now I bring you this another Degen project where you can claim your tokens if you received your Arbitrum airdrop distribution. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Guys, this is another of those kind of projects. I am not bullish on meme coins at all, but anyways, many of you, I know in my Discord, they stake it, Arbdoge there, so they are in great profits right now. And we also covered Rekt, and something similar happened with Rekt, so that is why I bring you another video of this kind. I'm not particular fan of all these kind of free tokens on this way, but anyways, you can see that, for example, with Arbdoge, even if I don't like it, if I would bought some amount when they launch it, you are not now sitting on a 600% increase or something like that. The opportunities are there, guys. The same happened with Pepe Coin. We know about that. I didn't cover that, but it's the same case. So let's go into cover this. That could be one of those Degen altcoins that pump a lot on Arbitrum, because they have a couple of things very different to these meme coins. They are actually a project. So we can go here to Swaprum Finance. You can see this is a decentralized exchange. They already have the swap functionality working there, and they have two products for farming and for staking pool. So this project is really new, so we need to be careful of this. I already did my research and I didn't find any issue with the contract address or anything like that. So from my perspective, this is safe. But again, you need to take your risk when you connect to the wallet. So after seeing the video, evaluate yourself if you want to get here or not, and then you can do it. So this is a project, guys. It's not like a meme coin. Arbdoge right now doesn't serve to any purpose. There's a pump because there's another token where you can burn 8 Doge tokens to get the A code token. So there's a couple of things that from my perspective, I'm making this token pump. But in this case, at least what we look like a serious project that is a DX on Arbitrum, but they are doing this kind of airdrop distribution with the Arbitrum Airdrop Recipients. And a couple of things to comment about this token. You can see here that we have the max supply is 300 million tokens. It's not like a big amount of tokens on the trillions or quadrillions like usually the other meme coins. This is a Degen DX DeFi project in Arbitrum Ecosystem, and you can claim it free if you participated on the Arbitrum airdrop. According to one part of the section, when you claim, you can get from 1 token to 100 tokens depending on your luck. I couldn't confirm this, but I think supposedly there's some random stuff when you claim, so you can get 1 token or 100. I already tried this with a couple of my wallets, and in all those wallets I only received 1 token. So we are going to cover if this is worth it or not. The airdrop will last only 2 weeks, guys. And like you can see here, there's only 10 days from those 2 weeks since they started to appear in the market. But this is really under the radar. I really didn't find any other information. And I got the information of this project. I am not paid for doing this, but I got it from a person that is really into meme coins. He's always looking as soon as they appear. So I got this information from him. So we may be early into this because it seems that they launched it like everything just 4 days ago. So you only have 10 days to claim this. if you don't claim it, they are going to burn the remaining tokens. And you can see that this is really under the radar because they only have 600 followers on Twitter. So guys, this is super under the radar. If they burn almost all that they have in the allocation for the burn, for the distribution, then that could pump a little the price because it will be a big amount that they are going to burn in that case. Like we mentioned, the max supply is 300 tokens. Total circulating supply is the same right now and is 6 million. And the market cap is 3 million, almost $4 million. And the total burn at this moment is 0. All that information you can see it here on the homepage down here. And here you actually have a button to buy. At this moment, the price is 0.6, so it's 60 cents. So if you receive one token, when you claim, you know that that's worth 60 cents. So in that case, maybe the transaction fee, it was like the same in Arbitrum. So it doesn't make any sense to get that. At least that you are speculating that this token is going to pump maybe to $2, $3, $4 after they finish this distribution and they burn the tokens, and you can see a couple of more things about this protocol. So if you are speculating on that, even if the current price is the same that the fee, maybe you wanted to claim it for the speculation. And from the token economics, you can see most of all is for user incentives. They have some referral rewards, some marketing and stability fund, but there is not much token hidden in the tokenomics. So the first step, going to the step-by-step, is you can follow them on Twitter here. Like I mentioned, they only have 612 followers, so it's really under the radar. And they only have 10 days more for this distribution, so you need to hurry up here. So in the step 2, you can claim your free tokens. So just click here on the link. You are going to be redirected to their website. Remember that you need to be connected with Arbitrum, so I will connect my MetaMask here. And I already checked, and for my perspective, this is a secure connection. And then you can click on claim airdrop or go here to airdrop section. So click there, and here you can see there's only 10 days and 1 hour to claim this. Here you, by default, you see that activity with Arb token is 0, so you need to click here on check. And checking this, it's going to tell you how much tokens you will get. And like you can see on this wallet, I will get only one SAPR token. And after that you click on claim. That will pump a transaction and you should receive your token. If you get any error, because on some wallets I have that error, this keeps pending and I don't get the token, then you can ask here on the Telegram and they will help you to fix that. Sometimes it's an issue with the UI of the web page. Doing that, we already did step 3, which is connect your wallets. Step 4, you go to the airdrop section, check for eligibility and claim it. The step 5 is that you can put your token in the farming or liquidity pool. And this is why maybe even if the transaction fee is the same that the value of one token, you can get it more tokens for the reward. Because if you go to the farming section, for example, you can see that all these pools are around a 4,000 APR, 6,000, 7,000. So there's a lot of things to earn more here. And if you don't want to put any other token there, you can just stake it here and get a 6,000% APR in this SAPR token. If you put one token here, you're going to get the 6,000 APR. So that will increase very fast. Of course, as more people enter here, this APR is going to diminish it. So I recommend you to claim your token and just stake it here in the pool or in the farming section. And again, guys, if you stake it here, like I say in the step 5, then you are going to get more tokens for those rewards. And maybe if this pump after some time, it could be like a good investment from that free claim. But if you want to risk more, you can even buy some of those tokens because you can buy it right now. I am not going to give any financial advice, but you also have the option to just buy the token if you only get one token, because right now, like you can see with my wallet, I only get to claim one token. I didn't get to claim 100 or even another number, so I cannot confirm that random mess if it's true or not. So after you did all that, step 5 is just the address of the token. So I will just copy the address, go to my MetaMask here on Arbitrum, go here to the down part, I will import the token, so I will copy that. And you can see that appears here, so I will click on add the custom token and import tokens. So here, after you claim, you are going to see the amount of tokens that you get, and you can also go to the stake and the farming options. And guys, one of the things for security, step 6, I already checked it, but in one of my security videos that I did, and this is how to protect your airdrop wallets, one of the points is the URL to go plus labs. There you can put some contract address and see the legitimacy of the token. So like you can see here, I put the contract address of the token, Arbitrum, and click on check. And you can see there are no risk items, only one attention item. And the attention item you can see is on the mint function, which is not rare because right now the max supply is 300, but they didn't mint all the tokens at once. So the max supply is going to be that, but there's some stuff on the contract that allow them to mint tokens right now. This is the only part that is not completely secure from the perspective of this site, but there are no risk or rag pulls or anything like that. And actually I did some research because you have access to the GitHub repository. You can see that if I click that icon, I go to the repository of the project, and I have some tools to look for rag pulls and all that. So I did my diligence here, and I didn't find any risk in this contract, so in the GitHub repository. But anyways, that is only my opinion and the research that I did. You need to take your own risk here, guys. I am not promoting anything. But again, this Swaprum token, this Swaprum project, which is a DX and DeFi ecosystem, is doing something similar on Arbitrum, like we saw with Arbdoge and like we saw with Rekt and some other tokens that I didn't cover on the same category that give you free tokens on the Arbitrum ecosystem. So guys, I will put the link also in the description for the Swaprum tokenomics. But you can read everything there. You can see how the burn mechanism is, which I think is going to also give some pump after the 10 days. And that will be all, guys. So you need to wait, you need to go claim, stake or farm your token. If you receive one or more, put your comments below. How many tokens did you get here from this airdrop free claim? So after you do that, you are going to be set and waiting for that. And just to another secure measure, be sure to always disconnect your wallet. So you go here on your MetaMask, click the 3 dots there, connected sites, and click on disconnect. So now you're disconnect, and you can use Revoke Cash, this application. Go here, connect your wallet and on Arbitrum, and check that you don't have any allowance running there. If you don't know what Revoke Cash is, I recommend you to search on my cryptocurrencystate.net webpage. This video, how to protect your airdrops, is going to be also on the link of the post. So that will be all, guys. This is a free token. Maybe it's one token, but you can stake it, and maybe this is going to pump a lot. Right now the value is 61 cents at the moment of recording, and all the information of the token is also in the webpage. So guys, that is all for Swaprum. Super early. Again, 600 followers only, and only 10 days to claim your tokens. If not, they are going to be burned. So I think that is really interesting in terms of burn an amount of those tokens, and the max supply is only 300 million. So we are not talking about trillions here. And guys, before we leave, remember that I have my Discord and my application subscriptions. My Discord, we are killing it. We are getting all these free airdrops, like 3 or 4 per week. So if you want to get all these airdrops that I am not covering, you can get into my Discord. You are going to be able to get it there. Also my application, guys, down here you can see 2 videos on how my app works, which is really cool, because help you to organize your airdrops and apply easily to your airdrops. So you can do this with one wallet or even with multiple wallets. You are going to have everything in one place and applying easy. You also can create your custom airdrops and get some comments and reminders there on tasks that you need to do for the different airdrops. So it's a really complete tool, and I am working on more updates. Guys, that will be all for this Swaprum free token distribution for all the Arbitrum Airdrop recipients. And before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. Don't forget to follow me in my other social media, especially in Twitter at CryptoCState. So follow me in Twitter at CryptoCState, because many information I only posted in Twitter. That will be all, and I see you in the next video. Bye.